The quartic equation 4x to the power 4 minus 7x cubed minus x squared plus 10x minus 5 have the roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Without solving the equation, find all the above. And what I like to do is I like to write down all the, and there's always a trick. I don't care what type, so minus b over a. And that's always going to be the individual ones on their own. And because there's 4 roots, it's going to be 4 of them. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. And then this is c over a. And that's when they combine together. So it's going to be alpha and beta, alpha and gamma, alpha and delta. I've done all the alphas, so it's beta and gamma plus beta and delta. I've done betas, and then I've just got gamma and delta. Good, and then A, B, C, D, so it's going to be minus D because it's flipped over A. So that's the 1s, that's the 2s, it's got to be the 3s, which is alpha, beta, gamma, plus alpha, beta, delta, good, plus alpha, gamma, delta, and I've got beta, gamma, delta. I'm going to do E over A, and there's no minus, and that's 3, so it's got to be the 4s, which is the alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, and there's no other situation I can do from that. So it's always good to write these down first. Now if we go into the question, first one is alpha, beta, delta, alpha, gamma, delta, beta, gamma, delta. And if we look, that's already one of these which we actually wrote down, which is the minus d over a. Okay. Minus d over a. So we go back to our question. A, B, C, D. So it's going to be 10 over, and A is 4. So it's going to be minus 10 quarters, okay, which is going to be 5 halves. The next one was alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So in the question, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, which is our last one, which is E over A. E happens to be minus 5. So this one here is going to be E over A. It's going to be minus 5 over 4. Okay. And our last one is a little bit more complicated. Because I don't know any of these roots at the moment, I'm just going to try and just add them together like I normally would do, so I need to make the denominators the same. But in this instance, I'm just going to cross multiply. So then my denominator becomes alpha, beta, gamma, delta, okay, which is good. When I cross multiply, this becomes beta, gamma, delta, because I will have 2 alphas, but they cancel out. Down there becomes alpha, gamma, delta. And the next one becomes alpha, beta, delta. And my last one is going to be alpha, beta, gamma. You should notice the numerator, we actually know, because it's one of the identities that we did before. And our denominator, we should notice one of our identities, but the way the question was structured, it's actually part A and part B. So part A happened to be minus 5 halves, part B happened to be minus 5 quarters. I like to think of this as you're doing in doing your GCSE. So keep, flip, change, keep the first one, flip the second one, change sign. These minus 5s cancel out to be 1. 4 over 2 cancel out to be 2. So this is 2 over 1. And my answer is 2.